Hi friends, welcome back to another day in my vlog. I hope you're all doing good and fine. So today's vlog is our anniversary vlog. It was our anniversary on 13th of December. So we didn't have much planned because it was a working day. So we just went for a quiet lunch and a cake in the evening. So this is morning and it slightly snowed, not heavy. So it was a Monday, so my daughter had to go school, so just getting prepped to send her school. So she got up, she took shower, brushed her teeth, and she came down. By then I was just preparing her breakfast. Usually on school days she prefers dosha, idli, or anything that is like on go. So mostly she likes dosha and idli. Apart from that, I have told you that she goes with cereals or pancakes, waffles. Today she chose to have a dosha, so I just made some dosha for her. Meanwhile, I was packing her lunch and snack, and it was snow, so bus was late. So today my husband decided to drop her. So there they go. And now it was afternoon time. After she went, I wrapped up the whole work of laundry and everything, and then we decided to go out for lunch. And lunch we decided to go for a Mexican, and there's a place called Agave. We went there to have lunch. So we decided we're not sending him school because his school is only for 3 hours, like drop and pick. So we can't go for lunch and have a peaceful lunch. So we decided we'll take him with us and go sit there and have nicely, like peacefully. Because it was a working day, I think there were not much people around, but this is a very good restaurant and it has very good reviews. So this is the branch at Kent. That's where we went. It has different branches in our place. See, we chose a cozy corner where we can just relax, eat, with no disturbance. But there were not much people around. So that's the place where we chose to sit and eat. He was very happy because actually after a very long time we are going to a restaurant, sitting and eating. Because of the corona, we are not so comfortable taking kids and sitting down and eating because again there's rise of cases and a lot of things happening around. So we always used to parcel food home on the weekends. But being an anniversary, it comes once a year, we thought we'll go and eat. Why my daughter is not there? Because she's in a little bigger grade, like grade 4. So I don't want to miss her classes. That's why she was not with us. But in the evening, we got food again from outside because she was missing in the afternoon. So we thought we'll buy something in the evening too for dinner so that she can be part of it too. So that was the salsa and the chips that they gave in the initial with some, cocktail drinks and all. That's what we started with. And then we ordered our main course, which was fajita with some chicken platter and everything. And for him, we went for, chicken tenders and fries because he doesn't go with little spicy meal. He tends to stay away from little spicy. He was having a good time because it's really long time that we went down to a restaurant, sat and eat. So he was having a good time. That's our meal. I was not so hungry because after the chips, my tummy was half full. So we decided to go for one platter and share and eat because I don't want to waste food. That's the chicken fajita. It comes with the rice, beans, guacamole, and sour cream, and the tortillas. We ordered the corn tortillas. So you combine all this into the tortillas and have. That's what the combo is. And then as usual, he didn't finish it, so we had to pack his portion. Nowadays he likes to pack it, he likes to do everything by himself, so I let him do that. That's one way of learning too. So we were done from here, and that's how the restaurant looks like from inside. They have a more of a Mexico theme, and a small Mexico they try to bring in. And where we came for lunch, just near there, there was Bath and Body Works. So I decided I just wanted to go in there because I love perfumes. So I wanted to check out perfumes basically. So that's my to go place for perfumes. And usually Christmas time they have offers. All the time they have some or other offers. So it was nearby, so I thought I'll check it out. Something as for myself. So they had this buy 3 get 1 free offer. So definitely I just checked out perfumes. Because I had my candles and everything back home, I had a good stock of it, so I didn't check that out. So it was just perfumes and body cream that I was checking out basically. And after checking out from here, we headed home. It was time for my daughter to come back, so we headed home. And I'll show you what I bought when I reach home. And then evening we just ordered food. I could not capture food because we were so hungry, so we just ate off. And that's a short sample of my cake that we cut in the night. And this is what I got from Bath and Body Works. Not much because I had very little time to check it out. So I got in the buy 3 get 1 offer. I got perfume and 1 hand cream. It says body cream, but you can also use it as a hand cream. I love the smell, and the creams are good. Like usually we do a lot of washing vessels, a lot of those things. So after that, just a pinch of cream, it just makes the hand moisturized. So I always buy this. It goes for a very long time for me. So yeah, that's what I checked out from Bath and Body Works. So that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed watching the small little vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and be a part of our beautiful family. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Thank you for watching and take care.